So the equipments are which are used in doing contour survey of the site. So the main equipment is the dumpy level, which is also known as a transist theodolite. So this theodolite consists telescope and the lens. This lens is used as a for the adjustment of the crosshair to your eye. So we take readings from looking this lens or a telescope of the different levels. So this is the fish eye or a spirit level. The fish eye, known as a fish eye because of this is like a eye of the fish. So the spirit level, which is used for the checking the level of the adjustment of dumpy level. It consists also some horizontal drive and leveling screw. Both are the screw are used for the giving some horizontal alignment or adjustment to the dumpy level. And this dumpy level or this instrument placed on the tripod stand. So this tripod stand used for the placement of the dumpy level, and this tripod stand has three legs, so called as a tripod stand. These three legs are placed on the ground level and give some horizontal alignment and the adjustable placement to the dumpy level or a theodolite. For taking the measuring points or taking a level distances and the height, we use the level or measuring staff. These measuring staff are used for taking the readings from the telescope. It consists of readings on it, and it has some height which is increases by adjustment, and this is placed at the different level, and we take the these readings by using or from looking these lenses. For doing a contour survey by using a dumpy level or a non-transist theodolite, the procedure is like that. The procedure is the first step to know the benchmark. The first step is to know the benchmark which is on a road or a flat land or it's on a chamber. So for take a reading on a benchmark, which is the back side of the instrument. So first of all, fix the instrument on the benchmark point. For measuring a benchmark point, the instrument, which is the dumpy level, fixed on a tripod stand, and its instrument arranged on a tripod stand by using the fish eye. The fish eye, which is gives the horizontal distance or some horizontal adjustment to the instrument, which is the dumpy level, and then take a reading of a benchmark by using the measuring staff or a level staff. Take a reading points which is present on a measuring staff, which is the place on a beam, and after that, which is the known level. So we keep this known level of a beam. Then we go for the second level, which is the unknown for us, and this level you want to know. Choose this level you want to know as per your comfort. When you choose this level, then again place the level staff on this level, and just for measuring the distance between benchmark and the this point, which is the or a height of the level staff from level 2. The first of for that, fix the height of the measure the height of the instrument from the ground level of the level 1 by using the back side of the benchmark and from the benchmark, and then after back side, then measure the first front side, that is FS front side, by using for the which is for the level 2, and then measure this horizontal distance and vertical distance from level 2 to this point, which is the height, and this is the difference between benchmark height of the benchmark or instrument and the another contour level, which is at the level 2. So just keep for take this reading, the instrument or the dumpy level kept on a same location and same contour or same site, and just rotating this device towards the this level 2 staff place on the level 2 and take a reading of this point. So basically the stepwise is to know the BM first, then set the instrument by using a fish eye or a tripod stand, take a reading of the backside or the benchmark by using the level staff, then after just rotating the device and measure the another level of the level staff or the side contour by using this level staff. In this process, just moving of the level staff and the instrument keep at the same site or same location while taking all readings. So, and these steps are further same for the further levels, that is the level 3 and level 4 and the level and after that we are going for the calculations. So here we go for the calculations or readings. The first step is to find the height of the instrument. For this, the formula is HI is equal to BM plus BS. The BM is benchmark and the BS. Then hence the height of instrument is the addition of benchmark plus backside. So here we consider the benchmark as a 100 and the BS, that is the backside, we consider as a 1.5, that is the 1.5. So we just add the BM and the BS, that is 1.5 plus 100. So here we have answer 101.05. So this is the height of the instrument and which is the step 1 for the calculation of the contour survey. So the second step is find the reduced height, which is the find the reduced height, this one in the black, from this point to this point. For this, find this height, which is the reduced height. We use the readings of HI and FS. HI, which is the height of the instrument, we find out in the first step, that is 101.5 or 05 minus, that is minus the FS, which is distance from the benchmark or location of the site to the level 2 level staff, distance between the instrument and level staff, which is the front side, that is the FS, which is 8.5 here. So the 101.05 minus 8.5 or HI minus FS, we have an answer of reduced height is 93 meter. So basically this reduced height is considered as a reduced height of instrument. So here we have a height of the instrument, then we have another height from the level 2, and this is the height of at a benchmark. So basically, in short, the step 1 is calculate height of instrument. The formula is HI is equal to BM plus BS. The BM is benchmark and BS is backside. So this is the backside and this is the BM, that the height, which is 100. And the step 2, calculate the desired height from the level 2, that is the unknown level or reduced level. So the formula is HI minus FF, that is height of the instrument minus front side horizontal distance, that is this one, that is the 8.5 we have, and the reduced height or the desired height is this.